Hello. I'm looking Mr. Shripad Sarange. Am I audible to you, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Please comment on this 5-day FDP with your valuable feedback and suggestions.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much for giving opportunity. Uh, First of all, I would like to thank you, IPS Academy, to arrange such a wonderful program. And I think this feedback I'm giving not it is my personal, but every participant in this FDP participated. They have same feeling and emotion regarding this one. Really, overall, starting with the organization itself, you have really conveyed clear-cut messages, and communication was quite good, and you are intimated each and every activity in advance, so that we are able to make it properly planned, and were able to join it very properly. Of course, it is just management, not only management also, but starting with this content also. Content was also is so much more superior. Starting with the day one, Dr. C.P. Paul has introduced 3D printing, and he has explained very nicely what 3D printing is all about, and what research he is doing, and he has really um, uh, really share his thoughts and thinking, in-depth knowledge, and we are really appreciated that effort also. Next session also itself, Professor Mayank Gujar, coordinator, he has really engaged this session, along with the practical demonstration of this 3D printing. Really, that's a wonderful experience, and of course, whomsoever, even beginner also, they are able to understand each and everything, and from question itself, it will reflect a lot of atheism and curiosity has raised by just not only theory, but supplemented with this practical session also. That's really wonderful. Day two started with this 3D printing material composite and ceramic by Dr. Y Ravi from NIT Varangal. Also, he has a really demonstration of wonderful information, and again that same complement with theory along with this practicals really clears mind, and what is happening, what is really developing now itself. We are getting a flavor of that one. Along with that, Professor Puneet Tandon sir has explained very nicely. uh, Third day also we started with this research and development happening, and Dr. U Chandrasekhar from industry also. Again, it is a flavor of industry and academia, that's making something altogether different preposition altogether. Again, research development, he has discussed. Next session with uh, Dr. PK Jain, IITDM Jabalpur. He has nicely explained software parts, file preparation, data management, everything. It is not just only academic development. After that, there was a spiritual development, other than inner peace development was organized. Art of Living, Mr. Rajiv Nair. He has really explained some of the things that is not only academic or something. Life hack, I should say. He has explained, and given practical insight for that one. Uh, Fourth day again, industrial application of printing, biomedical application was discussed by Dr. Modi also. So that's what it is basically. Overall, I should say, really excellent thing was there. And now today itself, Mr. Jigar Panchal, he has explained miniature design very good, nicely, practical demonstrated, and entrepreneurship development. That was what today's buzzword, I should say, that he has addressed in short. After his last session was very interesting regarding this 4D printing. Mr. Amit Chandak, he has also explained very nicely, and he has shared a lot of knowledge, and overall, this is complete package out there. I really uh, thank you for this IPS Academy for attending this wonderful session and wonderful program. Really, you have not only mm, conducted this program, but you have shared videos also that will be with us lifelong, and we will be very happy to know this knowledge we have gained from something like that, and definitely we'll try to implement whenever possible. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir, for your nice feedback. Sir, may I know where are you from,
Yes,
sir?
sir. I'm from Dr. D.Y. Patil, School of Engineering and Technology, Pune.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
thank you, sir. Sir, we have a next participant, Dr. P. Viswanathan. Uh, yeah, am I audible to you, sir? Dr. Viswanathan? Sir, please unmute your mic.
Okay, am I audible now? Hello.
Yeah. Now audible, sir.
Okay, so thank you very much for organizing such a
Yeah.
nice.
Sir, where are you from, sir?
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes. Sir, please tell me about yourself, your name,
Yeah. Sure.
designation, and qualification.
I will do that. I am Professor Vishwanathan. In fact, I worked for industries from 1984 till 2011, mostly in MOS manufacturing units like manufacturing of shock absorbers, combination locks for luggage industries, signage industries, bimetal bearings, like that. So I was more familiar with conventional machining techniques and other things. In 2011, then I shifted myself from industry to academics, and now I am with Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science, Chennai, for the last 9 years. And this particular program, in fact, I attended, but I will, I mean, to be very frank, there was some disturbance from my side that I need to also handle some classes and other things. So on and off, I need to get relieved from the session and to take care of my personal, official work. But whatever sessions I have attended, everything was well organized, and all the speakers, they gave very good information, starting from Dr. CP Paul, who gave very nice introduction on 3D printing, followed by Professor Mayanks on modeling and file format. And most of the theory sessions were followed with some demonstrations. That is excellent. So like this art of living, just a very different sort, among the topics, and that gave a lot of information. Similarly, today, the last session, like on 4D printing, as well as on Jigar Panchal's miniature printing. So most of the informations are very well appreciated. In fact, if I had the patience and time to watch continuously, I could have been more enlightened. But on and off, there were some disturbances, and I would like to have all these presentations and videos so that I can go ahead at a convenient time. And I'm sure it's a very good resource, for everyone. In fact, my knowledge on 3D printing is very limited. I'm not very much exposed to this, technology, despite that we also do have some two 3D printers, but all in a very, prototype model development, something like. And I also want to develop more on this, so this will definitely help us to go forward further. So thank you very much for giving this good opportunity.
Thank you so much, sir, for your nice words, and thank you for being in the session all the days, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. So now, anyone, any female? We have a 2 to 4 participants. Any feedback from the female participants? Any feedback from Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh? Uh, okay, we are getting the feedbacks in the chat box, but if any participant can just open the mic and switch on your camera and give a video feedback, that will be better.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can I speak, sir?
Yeah, sure.
Sorry, sir, I cannot switch on camera, but I just want to give my feedback.
Okay. Yeah, please go ahead.
Actually, I'm in examination duty, sir. Sorry.
Yeah.
Sir, first of all, I would like to thank the organizers for arranging such a wonderful FDP program on 3D materials. In fact, I'm very new to this. I'm working as an assistant professor in engineering college in Hyderabad. The wonderful thing and which admires me the most in this is completely it is a mixing of physics, chemistry, material science, mechanical, biology that is having wonderful applications which includes all the subjects. So this is really wonderful, sir. I'm completely new to this, but definitely I will plan some research on this 3D printing technology. And we really thank you, sir, for introducing such a wonderful speakers. Really, the explanation with the photos and demonstrations with proper videos is really excellent, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for your nice feedback. Picasa Imagination, I am seeing the participant list. I know who is this? Can you unmute your mic, Picasa Imagination? We have 46 live participants here. Anthony Caspi, Balwant Singh, Manish Kumar, Nancy Jain. Any participant who would like to give feedback on 5-day FTP? I welcome you.
So this is Mansi Jain, sir.
Yeah, Mansi.
So I'm very glad to hear and get info about all the 3D printings, because it's like I am generally a student. It's like many of them here are professors, so I don't think so. I would be, it's like my feedback won't be that much valuable, because I'm obviously a lot less experienced, but I would only thank you for giving such an information on the 3D printing, and that's it. Hope I'll also have any contribution in the 3D printing in the near future.
Yeah. Thank you,
Okay.
thank you, Mansi.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, and anyone, we are not getting that Picasa Imagination. Please tell your registered name so we can put attendance. You are attending all the session, but we are not getting. Okay, we have a next participant, Siddharth Vanimani.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, please, sir.
Myself, Sugant, native studies at Tamil Nadu. I am working as a research scholar in Chippat, Chennai. Is it audible, sir?
It is audible. Go ahead, sir.
Okay, sir. In this FDP program, I have learned many new topics related to STL file in MATLAB, Z plus editing, using the Z plus, we can miniature of small 3D printing components we can printing, and a practical demonstration of 3D printing metals, like I have seen, and it is very useful for my research purpose. Thanks for conducting this FDP program, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Subhanath, sir. Thank you. Yeah. Any more participants who would like to comment or feedback or any suggestions for this 5-day FDP? Okay, so with this, I would like to thank convener of this FDP, Dr. Sanjay Jain sir, who have given me this opportunity to schedule and conduct 5-day FDP on 3D printing and design. I would like to thank Dr. C.P. Paul, Dr. Y. Ravi sir, Dr. Prashant K. Jain sir, Dr. Puneet Tandon, and a special thanks to Dr. Rajiv K. Nair sir, and Mr. Jigar Panchal sir, Dr. Y. Modi, Mr. Kunal Agrawal, Mr. Jigar Panchal, my colleague Mr. Hemendra Patil sir, and Dr. Amit Chandak sir, for being in this FDP and organize with me for this wonderful FDP, and we have tried our best to blend all the mixture of 3D printing with gems of 3D printing industry in India. So I have attempted and tried our best to give you a best flavor of 3D printing. So with this, thank you very much for attending this FDP, and I have also shared the links for the test and feedback in the chat box also, and mail you also, and parallelly I will share in WhatsApp group. So please attend that quiz and give a feedback, and AICT FDP portal, Atal FDP portal will also allow you to give feedback on the portal. So you have to go there, and you have to also uh, give the feedback in the portal also. And the certificate will be come on your mail by Atal FDP portal. And for any queries, you stay till the certificate will not get on the WhatsApp group, and you will also in my email list, so I can share the information about it. And feedback in the AICT FDP Atal link is mandatory. You have to give your feedback over there for the certificate. Thank you. This is from all from my side. If you have any query, you can ask. Otherwise, we will conclude this session. I hope I have clear all the things. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, any problem? Can I end the session? Yeah, thank you, Girish. Thank you. Thank you, Shivanath. Thank you, Mansi. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, one and all. This is Venkatramana, working as Associate Professor in WIM Institute of Technology, Chittoor District, Andhra Pradesh. I have attended the FDP organized by IPS Academy on behalf of Atal. It was on 3D printing. This was very useful to me because I have very basic knowledge about this technology, and this FDP has given me an idea from right from fundamentals to the research, what are the scope of the research that can be taking place, that can happen in this area. So in this session, what I liked most was every step that is been involved in the 3D printing. There was a special session and there was a live demo during our session itself, how to make a component using the 3D technology. Apart from that, they have given from different areas where it is being applicable, like biomedical, then toy making, then industrial components like aerospace applications, then art and craft, gift items, what do you call this, customized gift items. There was very good exposure in what are the different ways, areas it is applicable. And also different technologies has been covered in this field. So where to understand the same thing, maybe I would have spent with textbooks or literature maybe for 2 months or 3 months. If I would have spent that much amount of knowledge I have gained in this 5 days, whatever I have been attending this FDP. I thank the IPS Academy and the Atal for organizing such a wonderful session. Thank you very much.
Hello, very good afternoon, one and all. This is S. Ratnam. I am currently working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering in St. Peter's Engineering College in Hyderabad. Presently, I attended one faculty development program on 3D printing and design. It is conducted by Professor Mayank Gurjar, IPS Academy, Institute of Engineering and Science, Indore. I would like to thanks to Gurjar and team. This FDP was beautifully executed to bring together research and practice. And terrific, one of the very best presenters who thought shared relevant practices I can use. And coming to the FDP curriculum, this is crafted very, very interestingly. And once again, I thanks to Mayank Gurjar sir. I look forward to finding out how to become more involved in working with this vulnerable